How to delete an item post on Varagesale. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can um, delete an items post on Varagesale. So kindly watch to the end, alright? The first step is to log in into your Varagesale account, just like I have done here. You can decide to log in during the application or through the website. Whichever way, just ensure that you're logged in, alright? And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your communities page. As you can see, this is mine. Once you can see this, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see five icons, namely the home icon, notification, post, inbox, and then your profile icon. Just go ahead and click on your profile icon. It is the icon that has the human face. All right, so once you click on it, you can see it's located at the lower right corner. All right, so once you can see it on the screen, you can see your profile picture, your name, your verification, and then you can see my stuff. Just go ahead and click on it. Now, after clicking on my stuff, you'll be taken to the page where you'll see all of your items. All right, for me, I have not made any post. That is why my own item page is empty. But for you, you'll see all of your items here. Once you can see this, the next step is to find the item you want to delete. After you found it, just click on the item. By the right side, you'll see the option to edit or to delete the item. Select edit, and then the item will be removed automatically from your listings. All right, so that is it. This is how you can delete an item to post on Varagesale. Ensure you try this out. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.